Alright, we're past sunset now. As we may have possibly seen our last day seeing the sunset at the top of the 1900 hour. September 23rd, 2023. Tyler Hayes here. 1918, coming to you from Ladysmith on the Canadian National's Superior Submarine. At milepost 353.17 with another video lined up for you. I have a feeling we're going to have a northbound on the way. That is on the way. I might take that back. A southbound rather is coming. Guess we'll find out what this is right now as we'll lean back and get them, huh? Jiva to lead it, nonetheless. Check it out. I kind of figured so. It was going to be a northbound as expected. It's met the Q196, maybe around Atwood. I might have a feeling this could be the highlight of the day for sure, because we're going to have today's B791 91 of the 23rd on the way, with the CN3880 sporting the 100th anniversary logo to lead it. And we'll have a Norfolk Southern ACU rebuild of NS 7302, a Progress Rail rebuilt DMD SD70 ACU to be exact. And I think this is actually going to be my second ACU rebuild I've seen for the B791, because it did double up its train at Point Yard for departing as of 1641 with a string of double auto racks rather. In front of the potash empties is going to be the next half. So we'll check out the B791 91, the 23rd, with the 3880. And the NS 7302. So lean back and get them. Alright, a few minutes later, northbound has showed up. Let's check them out on the roll by. So lean back. And get them. Here we go. Yep, I do hear that ACU rebuild of NS7302 in the second slot. Sure enough, B791! monitoring devices going. And that is going to do it for the B791 91 of the 23rd. How about that? And we'll do it for the CN3880 and the Norfolk Southern SD70 ACU of the 7302. Wonderful. And that is going to do it for the highlight of the day and for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.